GitHub Copilot has 4 different modes: Ask, Edit, Agent, and Plan. And most developers either using just one or using the wrong one. In this video, I will show you what each mode actually does, when to use it, and how to choose the right mode for different scenarios. Before we go mode by mode, let me give you a simple mental model that makes Copilot modes easy to remember. When you use Ask mode, you are basically saying explain this to me. When you use Edit mode, you are saying change this piece of code. And when you use Agent mode, you are telling Copilot do this for me. When you use Plan mode, you are asking how should we approach this. Think of Copilot as evolving from a teacher to an assistant, to a planner, and finally to a junior developer working with you. Let's start with the Ask mode. This is the safest and simplest Copilot mode. In Ask mode, Copilot never changes your code. It only explains, clarifies, or answers questions. You can use Ask mode when you want to understand something, not modify it. Think of it like a developer sitting next to you, quietly explaining what's going on. Let me select this function and I will ask Copilot to explain it. Notice what I didn't ask. I didn't ask it to refactor. I didn't ask it to fix anything. I just want an explanation. Copilot explains what the input are, what the function does, and what it returns. And most importantly, my code is completely untouched. Ask mode is also perfect when you are stuck on error. Let me ask Copilot why this error is happening. This is where Ask mode really shines. It explains the reason behind the error, not just a quick fix. You can even use Ask mode for pure conceptual questions. No files change, no risk, just knowledge when you need it. So use Ask mode when you want some explanations. You are learning or you are debugging logically. If you don't want Copilot touching your code, Ask mode is the right choice. But once you understand the code, the next question is, what if I actually want to change it? Now let's move to Edit mode. Edit mode is where Copilot starts changing code, but you stay in control. In Edit mode, you select the code or open a file, give a clear instruction, and Copilot display differences before anything is applied. Now let's refactor this code using Edit mode. I will ask Copilot to add async and await. Copilot is proposing changes, but nothing is saved yet. This is the most important part. Always review the differences. Apply what you like. Discard what you don't. Edit mode is great for code improvements. Let me ask Copilot to add error handling and log in here. This is perfect for cleanup, refactoring, and small targeted improvement. Use Edit mode when you know what you want to change. The scope is limited and you want full control. Ask mode is for understanding, Edit is for the safe execution. And sometimes you just want Copilot to do the work. This brings us to Agent mode, the most powerful Copilot mode. Each agent request counts as a premium request, so use it intentionally. Now I am switching to Agent mode. Notice how I am not giving step-by-step instructions. I am not telling it how to do this. I am telling it what I want. If Copilot wants to run a command, it always asks first. I review it and then I approve. This is powerful, but always review the changes. Agent mode moves fast, but you are still responsible. Use Agent mode when the task is large, spans multiple files, and you are comfortable reviewing the output. Think of it as a pairing with a very fast junior developer, but sometimes you don't even know the right steps yet. That's where Plan mode comes in. Plan mode doesn't write code. It helps you think before you code. I'll ask Copilot to think through the approach first. Notice, no code is written. Copilot is designing the approach. This is extremely useful for new features, migrations, architecture discussion, PR planning, and many more. Use Plan mode when the task is complex. You want clarity first, and you are not ready to code yet. Plan mode is a new feature, and it's one of the most powerful additions to Copilot. So I'll cover it in much more detail in a dedicated video. One common mistake I see people jumping straight to agent mode. If you don't understand the code, start with ask. That will explain the code. If you want to update code, use edit mode. Agent mode works best when your intent is clear. If you don't know the steps, start with plan. If you remember just this table, you will always pick the right mode. Before we end, if this video helped you to understand Copilot mode better, hit like, subscribe for more real world GitHub Copilot content, comment which mode you use the most.